Hi guys, I am Hazza and this is my brother Mansoor. Today we're gonna do mystery sound challenge.
Can you guess them before we do?
Water,
Chips.
water,
Chips.
rain, rain. This is a slime. Let's hear the second sound. Water,
Eat.
water,
Slime.
dropping. This is a chewing gum. Tiger,
Elephant.
cow,
Cow. Lion. I got it right. It's a lion roar.
Let's hear the fourth sound.
Fart.
Fart,
Fart. Monkey.
duck,
Duck. Duck.
duck,
Duck.
That's how it goes.
We got it right. It is the duck.
Jungle, jungle,
The right.
music,
Steering. Rain.
car, race,
Race. House.
tornado,
Tomato.
engine,
Engine.
song,
Sound.
song. It's a track. The third sound.
Cat.
Cat. That was easy. That was a cat.
How many did you guess right?